With the next recording, we're going to show you how to first edit. I kind of showed this in an earlier video, but if you click right here where it says edit pages, it's supposed to be, I believe, a pencil. You click on that, it now loads the editor. You can make changes to your website. So we can do a lot of different things. So this is our main page. So when you see where it says home, that means this is the page that when people first go to your website, this is the first page they're going to see. So you definitely want to have some kind of welcome and information, and a lot of the important information that you want them to see. So we're going to hit enter here, and we're just going to show you how to add a few things. You can simply type, okay, hello, I'm Mr. Paxton, and then you can add other type of introduction for your assignment. I'm going to expect you to put some more important stuff in there, kind of about you, those types of things, but it's kind of up to you on what you feel like you want to include on your main page. When you're editing, there's a few things. You'll notice this currently is just one big text box. Okay, so you have kind of the name of the page is this top text box, and then this is the content area of it. Now, just like with Google presentations, you have different layouts. Okay, like you had a title slide, you had other kinds of slides, 2-column slides, 1-column slides, those kinds of things. So just like that, we have layouts in Google Sites. So if you click on layout, you can see a bunch of different versions of layouts. So just to go through them, we got a 1-column, we have a 2-column, so now we have a text box over here as well as a text box over here. Might help organize your website a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer, and not so such a long list of things where people have to scroll a bunch. You can even go 3 columns. So now we have a text box here, a text box in the middle, and a text box on the right. It's mainly your preference, whatever you would rather do. Now, another example here gets a little bit more text boxes than the basics 1, 2, and 3 column. Now you have a 1-column, but a little bit more advanced. Now you have another header section. Okay, so I could actually move my welcome. I'm going to put that up here, change the font size, make it a little bigger, and then I still have my content area down here. Other layout, then we have same thing, 2-column. It's got a text box here, but you still have like a header text box, and then you even have a footer one down here at the bottom. Okay, and so if you had something that was big, that needed more space than just a 2-column, you could put it down there. Again, 3-column, 3 text boxes, header and footer. Left sidebar, this is where it gets a little bit more complicated, but when you click on this, it's basically a 2-column layout. The exception is the left column is a lot skinnier than the right column. You can also flip it, make it on the right side. The left text box is a lot wider than the right text box. And then you can actually have both. So you have a skinny text box on the left, a skinny text box on the right, and then a middle text box to have your main content area. So it's kind of up to you on what kind of layout you prefer. You're not required to choose one over another. It's kind of your decision and how you can be creative with it. So that is basically all the layouts. One thing just to warn you, when using Google Sites is you cannot change the widths of these text boxes. Okay, they're just kind of defaulted. They stay the same. There's no way to make this left column wider or anything. You can't adjust it at all. The only thing you can sort of adjust is to have the longer you make it, the farther down the text box will go, which isn't that much that you can do with that. So just as a preview with the layouts, you can do this with any page, but this is your main page, and so just want to make sure that you understand layouts. I'm going to click Save, and now we have it saved. Just let's go back and edit real quick just so you can see what it looks like. This is column number 2. So you can see when we hit save, here's how our website now looks. Okay, so that's layouts, and that's the end of this video.